It is a nice and surprisingly sunny summer day here in London, which means it's a great time to record another video on how engineering managers can use AI in their day-to-day work. AI is great at helping you to understand the code base and even to run the code base. So typically the only thing that is worse than having no documentation is having wrong or out-of-date documentation. So you can clone the repo and then ask questions to AI to provide a high-level summary of what's included, and then you can dig into details at your own pace and learn about code bases which you know partially well, or even code bases which you have no idea about. AI is especially good in understanding the technical details of implementation, and it can struggle to understanding business rules. So if you have any documentation, any tickets, on anything written for business rules, you can add it to AI queries, and then it can provide a better result, or it can even help you noticing the implementation that doesn't match business rules or doesn't address all of them. So after you learn about the code base, after AI provides you some good documentation, you can even decide to commit it back to the repo for others to use, because not always you get the same quality of documentation, but once you get it, I think it's good to push it back to the repo so that others can use it later. Another thing AI can help you with is to learn how to run the code base. So you can ask it to run it, and then it will proceed to install all of the frameworks and required dependencies. And in most of the cases, you can get it to run by just chatting to AI and accepting what it offers. So it might save you from embarrassment. So sometimes for managers, it's expected that you are very technically savvy, you know everything everywhere. So before reaching out for help for engineers, you can just try and see if AI can make it run for you. And then I think the last resort would be then to reach out to engineers and say you tried so many different things and it still doesn't run. So for more ideas like this, feel free to like, subscribe, and see you on my channel.